What's up, fellas? Papa Bear here. Hey, listen, today's piece of gear is my G-Shock watch. It is the Master of Gravity, Master of Gravity. And what I like about it and why I think it's an important piece of my kit is, number one, I like the regular normal watch hands so I can find direction. It's beneficial when you can actually tell time. But I can find direction. It also has a compass on it. It has a thermometer, stopwatch, time differentials, blah, 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 right? So it's all that. Anyway, the thing I like about this is I have literally taken this into different countries and have beat the ever-living snot out of it, and the bezel is still in pristine condition. So let me see if I can get, there you go. No scratches. Look at that. No scratches. I had a tree fall on it once. I was working. Tree just came down, smashed, saved my arm. Thankfully, no issues, no worries, no fuss, no muss. So that is my kit for the day. I was fixing to say something else. Never mind. Hey guys, that's my kit for the day. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. Papa Bear out.